browser. Now let's add image to our website. When you want to add image, the attribute for adding image is img. You can see the tag. You can see the tag on my screen, the img. That's the one thing about coding is that you must know the order for sending necessary tags, for sending commands to your browser. Because when you don't get it right, when you don't know these tags, you will definitely not give the browser the right command to execute. But when you inside the img, you now have what we call the src. The src means the source code, the source. That simply means that image you want to put here, where is it coming from? So while we have the or alternate element, which is the ALT. The alternate element is used to give names of images that will not display. There are some website that you open, you will see image, you will see something like photo frame, but you will not be able to see the images, but you will see a name written underneath it, maybe to tell you what the image. You put the source code for writing. If you put the source, you put your equal to sign, then put your quote. You put your quote sign, double quote sign, then you write your image name. The image name must be exactly the same name you saved on your device, on your system. Let's say, for instance, let us go to my pictures. Let's go to my pictures. So let's go back to our system and see what we saved our image with. Let's go to the folder called is simple. That's where I have my image. The image is bird logo. That's what I saved the image with. And when you're writing your image code, you must also write the file type. The name of the file is bird logo, while the type of file is JPG file. That's the type of image. We have PNG images, we have JPG, we have JPE code. So the name of my file is bird logo. The image is bird logo. Dot. That type of image, which is the JPG, then you close it with your quotes. Put the alternate element equal to what kind of image is that? That image is a music logo. It's a music logo. You also close it with the quotes. Save it. Save and go to your browser to view. Now refresh. You can see the image has appeared on our website. You can see the image right now. It has appeared. But assuming we did not type it correctly, it will never appear on the website. You can see it has appeared on the website, but you can see that the image is big. It is too big. So we now have to adjust the size. So we will go back to your code and to adjust the size, you use the width and the height. In your width, you can just name the width any figure, any number you like. It depends on the size you want. So our width will be using 100 for the width, while for the height we'll be using 120 pixels for our height. Then we'll save our documents, go back to the browser, refresh, and see what the document will look like. refresh, you can see that the image is smaller now. But if you want it to be bigger than this, you can still increase your width and height. If you also want it to be smaller than this, you can still reduce the width and height. It all depends on what you want.